Hello and welcome everyone to part 27 of the FJ45 restoration series. So as you guys see in the couple of previous episodes, we finalized some stuff on the truck, we also assembled the interior, and we finished all the mechanical work that we're gonna do on the truck, like replacing a couple of seals, rebuilding the front differential, and replacing a bare fuel joint. Anyway, now we still have a couple of stuff we need to do around the truck, finishing touches and stuff, and we are probably reaching the end of the restoration series. This may be the last video or the video before the last. With that being said, we still have one thing that's left that needs a lot of work, which is that piece of junk over there, the door of the bed. Now we're gonna start tackling that piece of junk. So guys, if you're wondering why I'm calling this piece of junk a piece of junk, well, come and take a closer look. So this door is rusty as hell, and it's probably the worst one around the world, which was a part of the previously rustiest bed, and now it's the most beautiful bed. So we're gonna make this one match the bed. Now we're gonna start slicing and dicing and giving her the tune to blast special coating. Brand new. Just like that, it's done. Okay guys, so now with that done, we still have to clean the edges of this piece out and then join them together and start laying down some dimes. And also we added a coat of rust reformer on the inside of the door just to keep the rust from getting worse. Okay guys, so now we got the tailgate all welded back together, and also we rust treated it. We took out all the old rust and stuff and laid down a rust prevention coat in it. Now we're gonna bolt it back on the truck to let the bodywork start.
Okay guys, so as you see, we mounted the door of the bed and we laid down some layers of body filler on it. it's good enough. Now we're gonna apply the special primer for the bed liner that we used on the bed itself. That black material over there. We're gonna lay some on the door of the bed. So guys, as you saw, with the help of my brother, we laid down the primer, and now we're waiting for it to cure to start slabbing in the bed liner.
Okay guys, so as you saw, we finished laying down the bed liner. It all turned out to be good. Now all we have to do is lay on the special coat, and then I'm gonna paint the whole inside of the bed. Now we're gonna turn our focus on the outside of the gate. We're gonna start applying some filler. Okay guys, so upon installing the tailgate, we realized that this hinge was held on with only Bondo. Well, it was welded in, but all the welds were rotten. So it was only held on with Bondo. Now we're gonna be fixing it, not the right way, but a way good enough. So I'm gonna be slapping a plate on it, this one, then welding the hinge to the plate. Okay guys, so it's the next day here, and as you saw yesterday, we finished patching this side of the bed where the hinge bolts on, or well, now it's welded on. Anyway, it's not the prettiest welds, but it holds good enough. So now all we have to do is maybe grind some welds down, then throw on a couple of coats of fiber, then body filler, and call it done. So here we have a bunch of trim and some interior stuff that we're gonna be painting right now. Guys, so as you saw, we finished painting the trim and stuff. Now we got some clothes on, and we're gonna take the truck to the gas station and give her a wash from underneath. Guys, so now we're heading back home and we'll catch you there with some information. So now we're back from the gas station. We finished washing the truck from the underside, and also we washed the engine bay, and we rinsed the whole truck all around. Anyway, in hope that the miscellaneous misfire that's occurring in the truck goes away while driving, hoping that it was maybe some dirt stuck in the carburetor. Anyway, it's not the case. So we still have a misfire, a miscellaneous misfire that comes and goes that we need to be looking into, maybe in this video or in the next video. Maybe we're gonna make a dedicated video on diagnosing the cause and fixing the problem. As of right now, I'm gonna shut it down and catch you tomorrow in the morning. Okay guys, so it's the next day here, and as you can see, we're back at the truck. We're gonna ignore the misfire that has occurred for now, and we're gonna leave it for some other day and possibly another video. Now we're gonna turn our focus on the bed. We cleaned the inside of the bed, and now we're gonna start by prepping it to paint match it with this color. So let's start. So as you can tell, we're now ready to spray in the bed. And as you can tell, here's the spray machine that we're gonna be using. So as you can tell, the inside of the bed is painted and all done and looks amazing. So now we're gonna turn our focus on the tailgate. So as you see, we started the bodywork on the tailgate and we got halfway through before the primer. So now this is gonna be the end of today's video. Got a lot of progress done. Hopefully you like what you see. Comment down below, like the video, subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one. Peace.